I was very intimidated because this is only the second home I've bought, but our community sales manager was on top of things, always stayed in communication, always answered all my questions. My name is Leslie Hallmark and I live in Ironstone. I didn't want any carpet. That was my main thing. I liked the ability to choose what I wanted and where I wanted it. It's very centrally located to where I work now for the most part. Family, friends, highways, and it's fairly quiet out there. When I walked in and saw the backsplash that I had picked, because I had it all in my head of what I thought it was gonna look like, and then when I walked in and I saw it, I actually cried because it came out so much better than I could have possibly imagined. So it's just very open and I really like that. The experience from beginning to end was seamless. A friend of mine actually decided to buy in a Tabor neighborhood after I moved into mine. And I will definitely, when and if I ever build again, it will be a Tabor because of just all of the options and everything that comes with it.